This is Candace here, and I'm coming to you today with an unboxing. So I want to thank everyone who watched my previous video. I want you to stop right now and like my video because I'm trying to get recognized in these YouTube streets. And you can subscribe too. I would love to have you. So first is my unboxing. This is from Each and Every. Every 3 months I get this little box here. And this is dun 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 dun. This is my aluminum free deodorant. No aluminum, no parabens, no synthetic fragrance, no baking soda, no gluten. And it smells really good. This is the lavender and lemon scent. It comes like this, and you twist it to turn up. I bought my mom coconut. She was like, I went back and it ran out. She's like, I went back on the site, but they were expensive. This is $13.99, and it comes out of my bank account. So when you do a subscription like that, I think they take 10% off or something like that. This one bathing suit. Oh my gosh. So this is my bathing suit. This is the top. It goes my arm goes through it right here, but it goes on like so. Like this. And these are the bottoms. They're like high-waisted. So they're high-waisted, and it has this on the side where I'm going to be showing a little skin. This is so cute. So they come like this. This is going to be so dope. Put it back in my little bag. This is going to be a hot mommy summer. I could have swore. Maybe not. This is a top. Goes like this. Just visualize, just come with me. Goes like this. And with these high-waisted, they're high-waisted. Yeah, they're high-waisted. So let me step back. This is what I'm looking like, and then the sides are like cut out. This is gonna be so cute. This is going to be so cute with my white toes. It's gonna be so long. I believe these were, I don't know where I ordered these from. I don't know where I ordered these from, but it was probably from Instagram or something like that. This is My mom bought me a gift card 2 years ago, and I was like, listen, I need to use it. And this is from Victoria's Secret. They were having a sale. Oh wow. It says pink. It has like, these are some high-waisted bottoms, and it says pink right there. This one looks so dope on my skin. So these are the high-waisted bottoms. And I could have swore I bought a cover. A bathing suit cover. Maybe it's coming, I don't know. This is the top. This is the top. So this is the top. And those are my bottoms. Yay! I'm happy. It's going to be a hot girl summer. Hot girl. Hot mom. And it has like this banding around it, and it says pink. This one looks so cute. I wonder with who I wear a bathing suit cover with. I know that I bought one. I know that I bought one. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.